Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TKAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first key level of support is basically the bottom portion of this consolidation range here that occurred, and that sits down here right around the $1.60 mark. I get it, sometimes the price did actually drop down below there, but there are other times where the price never even quite hit the area. So just from kind of a finding a middle ground, right there around 160 is going to be a very important level of support. Because, I mean, if you stop and think about it, and I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but just from an explanation standpoint. But, I mean, if the price were to come down to $1.60 and then blast down through there, that would imply a pretty big sign of bearishness because so far so good. I mean, that level has done a great job of holding strong. So again, that's why that area is very important. But the good news is because of that final 30 minutes, I mean, talk about a powerful 30 minutes, volume came back in, and the price reacted very nicely with it. $1.60 isn't even anywhere close right now. So, I mean, yeah, $1.60 is important, and you don't want to see the price break below it, but, I mean, the price isn't anywhere close to potentially doing so because of, like I said, that last 30-minute surge, which brings up about, the next very interesting dynamic is, okay, how bullish is this thing going to get? Is there true bullishness behind this final 30 minutes? Was this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction? I mean, that all remains to be seen. What I'm very curious to see is, first off, can the price at least stay up above that level right there at the $2 mark? If the price flushes right back below $2, that might, that'd probably be a good leading indicator that, okay, maybe this breakout isn't as strong as it actually, appears to be. So that'll be the more so the ideal level of support. But from an overall standpoint, and I'm not saying the price is going to shoot straight up there, but I mean, 265 really the next level of resistance. And that's just is because of, you look here and there's just aren't any other data points that suggest any other areas of resistance. So keep a close eye on these couple levels moving forward. And let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.